Alright, folks, hold on. You can point.
It needs to be said, the vast majority that we see involve the Muslim community, of which I'm a member. My view is that there's no place for multicultural sensitivity in this situation. This is something that we cannot tolerate.
Many experts argue the root cause of honor crime lies in forced marriage, and the government is considering making it a criminal offence. There are worries that more needs to be done within certain communities to change attitudes and protect vulnerable women.
Now let's put that in context. Many women who do not agree with forced marriages run off to England. They are given asylum in England. There is this human rights group which is fighting for these young women. What is interesting is those who have left their homeland, India, Pakistan, for example, they still believe, while living in Britain, that women should be killed if they refuse to follow the orders of their parents to marry who has been forced on them. There are communities in Britain, formerly of India, Pakistan, for example, who still believe